What is up, you guys? This is my 1981 Volkswagen Rabbit pickup truck. For those of you who are new to the channel, this video is for you. For those of you who are returning, what's up, brother?
Nice.
If you're an OG, leave a comment below. If you're new, leave a comment below and subscribe. Let's talk about this workhorse right here, because this is a workhorse. Just kidding, it's just loaded full of scrap metal so I can get some extra cheddar cheese. So I purchased this truck from the same person I bought my Mark 1 from. This was originally what I wanted to purchase because it's just so dang cool, because it's a Rabbit pickup truck. It's front wheel drive. It's tiny as hell. But they insisted that they were going to fix this truck and get it going again. Turns out they were mistaken, because 2 years later they hit me up on Facebook and asked me if I still want to buy this vehicle. I said, hell yeah. This pickup truck originally had a 1.7 liter gasser, and they were converting it for a carburetor. They did not finish doing that. They did have the carburetor on there, but all the fuel lines weren't hooked up or anything. I took this truck and I decided to do another ABA swap, except keep it naturally aspirated this time. So this is your basic ABA swap, no turbo, just run-of-the-mill ABA swap, Mark 1 Rabbit. This truck has quite a history of never running. This thing wasn't registered and driven since 2016. It's now 2024. I did have it running. It took me quite a while to get this thing going because I had other projects. But after a year or so, I finally got it running and took it for its first drive around the block, and all was good. I brought it home, went inside, came back out after an hour, started it, and then the fuel filter exploded and it caught on fire. So the next day I go to the junkyard and I grab everything that melted. Intake manifold, this hockey puck here, filter, fuel lines, belts, timing belt tensioner, wiring harness, and I put it all back together. I did mess up a wire on the wiring harness, but got it all squared away. We're good now. She runs again until next time it catches on fire or something. This motor I got from a 1998 Volkswagen Jetta Mark III, and that car had 87,000 original miles. Why that is probably because the transmission was an automatic, and we all know how the automatic transmissions go in Volkswagens. Other than them new DSGs, those are pretty sick. I got brand new tires, mounted and balanced. Interior's decent. It's pretty messy right now because I'm still in the works of fixing this thing. Door cards looking pretty nifty. Needs door handles. The most sought after part of the truck, the tailgate. I got it registered. I'm just waiting for the plate, and then I need to insure it, and then we will go on our maiden voyage to the scrap yard to drop off this scrap metal, get some cheddar cheese, and put that towards, I don't know, some body work, or body work and paint, and get this thing looking good. The original miles on this truck are over 275,000 miles. It's insane. This is a super cool truck in my opinion. Let me know what you guys think in the comments of Volkswagen Rabbit pickup trucks, because I think they're, I don't know, you just can't find anything like these. It's almost like these are the only ones that are this cool. I know those K trucks are a huge deal, but man, could you imagine if these were more obtainable? I feel like these would be more popular than the K trucks. I could be wrong though. K trucks are JDM AF, and there's a lot more JDM boys out there than there are Volkswagen boys, so hit me up in the comments. I will respond if it makes sense. Just let me know that you guys are there. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Also, let me know if you guys are interested in checking out this Fiat 500 Abarth, and I will do a video on this bad girl right here. Goodbye, everybody.